Good morning, my dear YouTube viewers. Today we will switch over to the remaining area of comparative approach. What are the elements of comparative approach? The method is used in sociology as a matter of its natural practice. The features are like this: belief in science of society, the goal of detachment, and uneasy link with the theory of evolution, and influence of organic analogy. Finally, the intent to have the systematic comparison. The reasons for the elements of method is stated like this: method of comparison, units of comparison, purpose of the comparative approach. The method of comparison, let us start. There are three types of approaches: single society, given time to analyze the society, whereas several societies, different time capsule, different actions or activities, different relationship. All these three concepts bring the only limited changes in the comparative approach. Whereas in several societies, sometimes the different times are having the identical features, which brings the radical changes too. Next, the second one is units of comparison. The disability of these features. Some order of same order of magnitude, that is, then comparative method is successful. Purpose of comparative approach. For this, Mr. Macfarlane said, it helps to distance the over familiar and familiarize the distance, and finally make the absence of the visibility. Therefore, this comparative method is having the one of the tools, acted as one of the tools that social scientists use it to give the explanation to the reality. Once again, we will review the information, the elements of comparative approach. Under this method is used in sociology as a matter of its natural practice. The features are like this. One is belief in natural science of society, the goal of attachment and uneasy link with the theory of evolution. Third, the influence of organic analogy. Fourth one, the intent to have the systematic comparison. These reasons are enlisted in the following way, that is the elements of this method. Method of comparison, units of comparison, purpose of comparative approach. Method of comparison. There are three types of approaches: single society, which is based on the given time, analyze the society, whereas several societies based on the following conditions, that is, different time, different activities, and different relationship. All these three concepts or phenomena bring limited changes only. The several societies, sometimes different times, if they are identical features, very important point, identical features, that time it will bring the radical changes. Please note down it, radical changes. Next, second one, units of comparison. Disability of the features. Some order of magnitude. In this, the comparative method is very much successful. Second, purpose of comparative approach. Third, Macfarlane It helps to distance the over familiar. Next, the familiarize the distance. Third, make distance visible or visibility. Therefore, this comparative method is one of the tools, treated as one of the tools that social scientists use it to give the explanations to the social reality. By this, today's lecture about the elements of comparative approach is completed. Not only this, the general comparative approach information is also completed. So tomorrow we will switch over to the another mode of approach. The name is feminist approach. Okay, good day. This is Bindu taking leave from the YouTube platform. Please do subscribe. Out of busy schedule, you may be forget. Please do subscribe. Good day.